Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Dyson V15 Detect. I got this from an auction on eBay. I was really worried when I won the bid. I really didn't think I was gonna win. I worried about warranties because I know I've shattered my screen on my MacBook. Thankfully I had Apple Care, so they were able to fix my screen. I had an electrical problem with my MacBook on a separate occasion, and warranties really save your life. So I'm hoping that today, once I get this unboxed, I can register the serial number and Dyson will honor the warranty. Here we go. So, the description when I first saw this on eBay said that it was original packaging. So they took everything out to take pictures of, and then they resealed it, and it came in, like I said, original packaging. Okay, we're just gonna tip this thing over. Nice. Okay, so here we are. Like I said, packaging is a little damaged, but it is the Dyson V15 Detect. Let's get this baby open. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I waited so long. My family thought I was absolutely crazy for getting this. Such an unnecessary expense. Why spend that much on a vacuum, yada yada yada. But, I have a job, so, I've been thinking about this for months. And, why not get something that I know I'm going to like? Okay. So, when you first open it up, it comes with your warranty information. Hopefully that still stands. It's also right here in the corner. This little warranty guy right here. This is just so exciting. Oh my god, you guys have no idea how excited I was for this to come in. And then I'm assuming, what is this? The wand? Or is this, oh my god, totally just tore that up. Oh god. What is this? This is the wand. Oh my god, literally so excited. I'm shaking. Here's more attachments that clip onto the end of the wand. I don't even know if that terminology is correct, or the motor head. I have no idea. I'm not very tech savvy, but I like having really nice tech stuff, but I do not know the terminology for the life of me. Here is I don't know the name for this, but here's the top of it, the handle. This is I'm not even going to attempt to name what all this is. I'm just showing you what's in here because I'm very excited. I cannot believe this was like sold out everywhere, including Dyson's website. I'm guessing this is like the clip for the wall mount. I'm assuming. And it comes with like little directions, I'm assuming, on how to mount it to your wall. That little compartment. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay. What's in here? It's like a maze of parts. Oh my god. Okay. Here. More attachments. This is like Christmas Day. Like, you just keep opening these little boxes in here and you find goodies. Goodies, never-ending Christmas. Okay, what is this? More attachments, I'm assuming. I think the V15 Detect comes with 9 different attachments, I believe. Could be wrong. Could be very wrong. This is the motor head. I know that for a fact. The one thing I know is that this is the motor head. Or wait, no. This is the part that I just sound so stupid right now. I'm not even gonna. Still, I'm not going to attempt to try to name these things. It's a little bit dusty. Gotta admit, it's a little dusted there, but this is the anti-tangle comb. I saw like other people's YouTube videos about this, and I'm very, very excited about this. And I usually have my hair in protective styles like this, so I normally don't have a lot of shedding throughout the year just because I keep my hair like this. But when I do have my natural hair out, you know, it's really cool to have this stuff. And oh my god, it's the mother of them all. This is the hardwood floor attachment. This will suck up every little piece of dirt and dust. This has the laser detect, which is very, very cool. It was kind of like split reactions. A lot of people said it was kind of a gimmick, and then a lot of people were like, no, it's not. So hopefully it's not. We'll see how that works out. I have one last little box in here. Okay. This is the charger. Last but certainly not least, it's what keeps every vacuum alive. So, honestly, that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna put it together and I'll show you that. Let me know if you'd like a review for this, and I'll try to brush up on my terminology. I was clearly underprepared for this video, but I'm so excited. Like, I've been researching vacuums for months. I sort of gave up on Dyson because it's like way too expensive, out of my budget, but you know, I'm hoping that this is an investment for me. I'm hoping it is long lasting. So this is what the beauty looks like when she's all put together. I literally just vacuumed like the small, like, I didn't vacuum here, but like I started right here and literally just vacuumed the small portion. And look at all of the little sickies that are in here. I don't even know if you can see that, but it's disgusting. It's like, have I been living in this filth like the last 3 months of me living in this new apartment? But I am very, very excited to use this thing and use the different attachments. Luckily, it did have enough of a charge to where I could do this little area, but I'm about to plug it up so it can fully charge. Usually it lasts about, what, 4 hours? That's what people have been saying, but we'll test it out and see. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate the support. Oh my god, where is my camera work going? Let me flip this. Oh my god. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. You don't have to like or subscribe, you know, but you know, I have like, what, 3 followers, so. Also, hello, it's me again. I went on Dyson's website and tried to register the warranty. It accepted and it's currently processing. We'll see how long it takes to process, and if it doesn't, I guess I will be reselling it because I really feel comforted having a warranty. But we'll see. But I really do like this vacuum, so hopefully it processes and accepts. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.